everybody, it's the MakeCode Arcade Advanced live stream, Super Advanced Edition. My name is Vivian. I'm at Live Truthful on the MakeCode forums.
I'm Joey at J1 on the MakeCode forums.
And I'm your psychic type gym leader, Richard, at Richard on the MakeCode forums.
Yeah, Joey, you gotta take the quiz to see what kind of gym leader you would be. And if you pick Pokemon of a certain type, it'll probably make you that kind of gym leader.
Yeah, it did seem to go that way. Well, I guess I chose one psychic type and the other two I don't know for psychic type. Whatever.
Yeah. So I chose normal one at first, and I hated that. So then I retook it, and I avoided the normal kind. And then I got electric, but I think that probably means I'm a normal type. Sad.
But I was telling Vivian, Joey, who is the most terrifying gym leader in Generation 2 of Pokemon?
I can't place it. I can't think of which one would be the worst.
Really? I feel like this is a settled thing, and it is the normal gym leader in Goldenrod who has a Miltank.
Oh, you meant like challenging. Yes, that is correct. Sorry, I was thinking like scary and like intimidating.
That would probably
that's like
be
the run killer one.
It would probably be like the ghost type gym leader. I don't know. The Miltank though was very difficult.
Well,
was Norman hard in Gen 3? I don't remember. I remember I lost him a bunch because of the slacking.
Okay, so what are we gonna do today? I didn't have an idea, but now I have two ideas. First idea is like pretzel fryer simulator or whatever, where you have like a thing of dough and you can like move it to change to like drop dough into the vat of fryingness, and then it would cook in that shape. you would get a pretzel based on the
pretzel's fried.
No, you make the dough and then you boil it in a sugar water and then you bake it, or maybe like not pretzel or churro or something. Good for
like a funnel cake. That's how they do funnel cake.
Yeah, funnel cake. Second idea is from Kiwi Phoenix, which is we can make a platformer that has like different kinds of gravity fields that are in different directions, which sounds fun. I feel like we've...
Oh, yeah. They said like Mario Galaxy 1/2. I think we have made that game before.
We've made similar games before, but I don't think... I made a game where you can make things drop in a direction. I feel like, Richard,
I'm pretty sure I made this game.
Yeah. But I was going to say, like, I don't think I've made a gravity field one before, so I could do it.
Yeah. But anyway, the way that those work in that game was you would have a regular 2D platformer, but there would be like part of the area would have arrows pointing up, part of it would have arrows pointing down, and if you overlapped with the up arrows, your gravity would flip, so on and so forth. And you would be flipped until you hit another arrow and go a different direction.
So we can do that since we are in the theme of sky, and if you go gravity in the wrong direction, you'd end up in the sky. Or
it's up to you. You're driving, so if you want to do funnel cake game, we could totally do funnel cake game.
I don't know. Maybe I'll do this one because I don't know. I don't really have a preference. We can make a mini theme for this week, and then we'll decide the theme after I make the game. There's an arrow pointing a direction.
Anyway, not really related, but Joey, what are we about today?
Let's see. We are about making code. This is the first time we've been about making code. It's important. Unplugging the stream computer, so don't do that. Being variable happy. Libraries. Making clocks that line up all pretty like. Dishonesty. Not counting correctly. Recursion. Rivers. And listening or comprehending.
I love when listening or comprehending comes up.
I don't, because it wasn't true. I was listening to Joey and he was wrong. Yeah. Yes. I remember this distinctly because you're like, Vivian, you're not listening to me. I'm like, I don't think so, Joey. I just don't think the thing you're saying is right. I feel like I remember this.
I think that's how I remember it.
Really? How do you remember it?
I don't remember it. That's how I remember it.
So I made a game a while back like this idea here. It includes arrow fields and circular planets. exactly. Okay, how does this go? There should be a line here. I mean, I'm making bricks because if it's Mario, I hate making bricks. It never looks like bricks.
And I'm always perplexed because you're so good at drawing pixel art, and bricks are the easiest thing to draw.
They're the hardest thing to draw. Oh wait, I had the other idea that I wanted to do, kind of, which is something with like custom colors. Actually, let's do that.
Oh, that sounds fun.
Let's do that.
Yeah.
I feel like it'd be nice. Okay, what are we doing? We're going to hex color picker. Probably this is right. Yeah, color picker. So we'll just pick some nice colors, and then we'll just do something with that. Okay, let's pick our colors first. Okay.
Do you want me to note these down?
Oh, okay. What kind of format do we need them in? I've never done this before.
Hex. So
Oh, okay. Easy.
hex works perfectly.
I will. Yeah. Do you think?
You're gonna edit the pxt.json, right?
Yeah. I'll do. Okay, I'll do
Yeah.
this so we can see it. Okay, so let's pick up like a really saturated pink colors. I'm feeling like some pink, some sunset vibes. You know, wouldn't that be nice? And then we'll do some kind of sunset related thing. I'll copy this one over. We have to pick 15 colors. That's a lot. Do we have to pick 15 colors?
I mean, the rest will just be black, so you don't have to. But
14 colors probably, right?
yeah,
Why?
14 colors because one will be black, one will be transparent.
It has to be black?
No, it actually doesn't. It doesn't.
Oh.
Yeah, fair.
Well, you know what? Let's just pick a really dark color, just, you know. But it'll be purple, so it's cool. Okay, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's pick some in the blue, green, teal area. Would that be cute with the pinks? That might be cute. Okay. Yeah. Everybody drop your favorite hex colors in the chat.
D3.
You know what? I'm just going to trust D3.
No, that's great. You don't want that.
Oh. Wow, look at what my trust got me.
Yeah.
Ooh, very bright color. Yep. Okay, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many more? I don't know. We'll just keep on adding colors until it's the right number. Okay. Oh, probably should have some white. Okay, this is a white option. 9. We have a really light pink as an option. Let's put it up here. 10. Let's bring some yellows in, right? That'd be nice. Sunset vibes. Yeah. Here. That's a nice color. New group. I stopped counting again. Copy.
By the way, I'm gonna give my standard warning on this. If you don't know what you're doing, don't edit the pxt.json. Vivian knows what she's doing, so it's all good. But if you edit your pxt.json, you can ruin your project forever. So.
Okay, let's bring in these colors first, and then we can pad with whatever colors we need once we see it.
Okay.
Hi! Oh, we have a hex color. Kiwi Phoenix, does this fit in one of the other categories we've already had so far? I'm going to just put it in. I'm trusting you. I guess it is a color, so it can't be that bad. Okay, we're copying this. Going into the JavaScript. Opening up pxt.json.
Yes, this is the warning area.
Edit settings.txt. Okay, now what do we do? What are we doing? Oh, sorry. We're making custom
go
colors.
Ahead and...
Oh, sorry. Go.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Nope, we were answering the same thing.
Oh. Okay, what are we doing? Sorry, but like.
So go ahead and make a palette option. So just add a palette property.
Is it like this?
Yep, and make it an array.
Okay.
Paste
cool.
everything. Use that thing to do multi-cursor select.
What?
It's like Control plus Alt and then down.
What? Whoa! How do I get out of? Okay. Wait, can I
just click somewhere?
Control.
Just click somewhere to get out of it.
Whoa. Okay. I did not know we could do this.
You might want to get rid of.
Yeah,
you might want to get rid of those extra things.
I'll do it afterwards.
This is a super useful feature of Monaco. Is to be able to do multiple cursors. Kiwi Phoenix says what?
Right.
In all caps. Yeah. So.
Did not realize you could do this outside of Vim.
Yep, it's Control plus Alt, and then move the arrow keys up and down. And for the first color, Vivian, put in 0, whatever. It's transparency, so it just needs to be something.
Do we need to take out the pound? I feel like I remember it being just like.
I could possibly need to do that. Let me check real quick. But yeah, so it's Control Alt plus the arrow keys will give you multiple cursors. You can also do Control Alt and just click places. Super useful.
Oh. Can I just try it? I want to just try it. I'm just gonna copy this first, just in case it doesn't work. We can always.
Just give me like 1 second. I'm almost there. Nope. Leave the pound.
Wait, you have to have pound?
Yeah.
Oh. Cool. Now, do we just go to blocks?
Yep.
Woo!
And you might have to refresh.
Okay. It's a manual macro. Oh. Also, is there a way to have MakeCode run on RPI using RetroPie? Oops. Panic! Code 911!
I believe there is. To do it, you if you go to our forum, there is somebody who did a project. So this is not an officially supported thing by us, but someone did make this thing called, what was it? It was like MakeAirPause or something.
MakeAirPause. I think that's like a standard thing, isn't it?
Possibly. Here, I will post a link to the forum post for
cool.
this.
That's what I was pulling up.
Yeah, disclaimer is I have not tried this, and this is not an official make.
It's maybe because we don't have enough colors. Let me just add another one in and just see what happens.
Yeah.
Yeah, MakeAirPause.
Does anybody? Okay, I'm just gonna put some random letters in and numbers, and let's just see what we get. Right? All right, my favorite number.
Oh yeah. Panic code 911. What the heck is that error?
Isn't that amazing? I love it.
Where did that come from?
Okay. Let's refresh again. See what happens. I liked our colors. No panic? We're not panicking. No. Ooh, awesome random color. Okay.
Oh yeah, that turned out surprisingly well. I thought it was gonna be junk.
Oh yeah, we're professionals here, Richard. Okay, so what should we do? Should we just make some scenery? Let's make a wallpaper generator where you have like different areas and you can just set up a wallpaper and then you can like take a screenshot of it and use it as your like background for your like phone or your computer.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, okay. So everybody, okay, let's see. We want to have like different elements. Okay, this is what I'm picturing. Let me draw something out. Okay. We're going to have like the game, right? This is at like a very zoomed out scale. So like the screen size will be like this big, okay? No, sorry. That's a ridiculous aspect ratio. Like this big, okay? And we'll have a bunch of different like sceneries in different areas. So like we'll have one here, we'll have one here, and then you'll have like a little character that you can move around to be in the different sceneries. And then you can just take pictures. That's the whole concept.
Ooh.
Let me share.
We've got someone saying they can't hear us.
Oh. Say something?
Wait, I can hear us.
Oh. Okay, yeah. Okay, cool. Okay, I'm going to share this. Pretty colors. So that if anybody wants to make some background images to put in. Or if you want to make a character to draw, you can do it. And then I'm going to get started in the meantime. It could be any size. I would prefer if it's at least 160 by 120 so that it would fit full screen. Or definitely bigger than 160 by 120 so you don't have to line it up perfectly. But, go with your gut. So we'll make another kind of background. And then I'll just make one. I guess this is an art stream now.
Yep. All right, another question. Can we change MakeCode's resolution? Unsigned Arduino did answer correctly. No. 160 by 120 is the only resolution we support.
Sad.
I think it's happy.
You really? Why do you think that's
Yeah.
happy?
Because it's nice
But what if
to be limited.
maybe? But what if you don't want to be limited? Sometimes you're like, oh, the limitation has helped, but now I'm ready for the next part. You can't change it.
Then you should learn C++. I don't know.
Hmm.
I'm just kidding. You should not learn C++. That was absolutely a joke. But I mean, I feel like working inside limitations means like if you're thinking that you need something outside of those limitations, maybe you should reconceptualize what you're doing and see if you actually do. It's kind of the part of the fun of it.
I guess I just feel like then we can only go so far, you know? It's like, oh, if you have, I don't know, like a Crayola marker, you could do really far things with it, but it'd be harder. If you don't want limitations, go use Scratch. I haven't used Scratch enough to say.
I would say you should use MakeCode, personally.
Let's see. What else do I... Oh, maybe I should make... Sorry, I might be pivoting it, but maybe we should do like different kinds of brushes to draw with. No. We're just going to do this. Wouldn't it be cool if we had like a dithering brush and then we could be like... Should we do that? Okay, let's just make a... I'm going to start working on something else, but if you make art for it, we'll make it work. New variable... Dithering brush of kind brush, and then let's have we'll have a function. We're not going to call it, and that's going to be okay because we're not going to be confused. Add sceneries. We're not even going to do anything with it. We're just going to put this here. Actually, maybe we will do something with it. No, let's do something with it. Let's set it to be very far away. That's what we're doing. We'll do like negative 160. So then we can't see it. Cool. That's what we expected. Now let's make a brush. And then let's just make it a set size for now. Let's make it, 16 by 16. And we'll make a circle. Maybe we'll make it white. Oops. Is there a way to make a perfect circle? Let's just make it 15 by 15. Some of the colors appear wrong. I tried to use white and it was navy blue. When you try to open up this game? Did you... Ooh. Weird. Okay. Sorry, I'm not more help because it's not blue for me. Okay, what are we going to do? We're going to do like an on A button pressed. Let's make another sprite too. That's like canvas. Let's make it 160 by 120, which is the size of the screen. And then let's just say, should we bring in Joey's? Yeah, let's bring in Joey's util. So, J1drill, arcade, sprite, util. Bring that in. And then let's do we're just going to do circles for now. We're going to do a draw circle in my image. Oh, it's perfect. So we'll do a, on A button pressed. No, we're going to on game update. Wrong one. On game update. If the A button is pressed, so that we don't have to keep on clicking it. Oh my gosh, my mouse is freaking out. We'll draw a circle. What image is it gonna be? Let's rename this. Rename this to be canvas. Ooh.
By the way, if you want to change the colors in MakeCode, here is a link to instructions on how to do so. But again, there's very big warnings in this comment on that you can break your project forever. Only do this on an empty project. Never do it on a project you've been working on because you can break it.
Safety first. Oh my gosh, everybody is like the goldenrod yellow today in chat. Cool.
It's true. Yeah, it was confusing me.
Okay, and then let's set the position that we're drawing the circle at to be the location. Is this the center? Yes, it's because it's the center of the brush. And this is always going to be the center of the screen because the brush isn't moving it. But that's okay. Radius, if I make this 7.5, does it round? Ooh, okay. Let's just make it 6.
I'm pretty sure it only supports integers.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, it doesn't really make sense in pixels to not be an integer.
Even though a certain... What?
Yeah.
You can't do, because you would do subpixel rendering. It would not be a circle. It would be probably some weird.
Well, like the arc, could theoretically be different, but it doesn't make sense for like any other stuff.
I don't think it would be that different.
Oh. Okay.
That's pretty trippy.
Yeah, we want to do the fill circle instead. So let's bring everybody over.
By the way, it is possible to have more than 16 colors because you can always have black if you don't draw anything to the screen.
Okay, let's wait. Black if you don't draw anything to the screen.
Yeah, so black is not in your palette.
Oh,
right?
Cool.
But isn't that the transparency, the 0?
No. I'm pretty sure if you change that transparency to be something else, it'll still be black.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so what do we want to do now? Because this is not cool. It's just, filling it in. So let's see. What are we going to do instead? We'll go on like every even pixel. We'll make it like a different color. So how does this go? We have like this pixel. Okay, so let's say if it's like an even row, we want the even pixels to be the other color. And if it's an odd row, we make the odd pixels the other color. That should be fine. And so how should we do that? We'll go like a for loop.
So the easiest way to do this, yeah, you should use a for loop. But if it's x plus y is even, then you make it one color. If x plus y is odd, then you make it the other color.
Okay, cool. Let's do that. So what are we going to for loop over? We're going to drag 2 out because we are living in a 2D world. And we're going to for loop over the width of our sprite, which is our dithering brush. And we'll also do like the height. And also, just to make this easier, let's just fill this in with the color. It's fine.
Nice.
Oh, I thought I heard Joey say something. Never mind. And let's make one of these X and the other one Y. Classic variables. No need to think about that. Let's bring this over here and then here. And then we'll see if the image has a color there. That means that the brush is going to be like doing stuff there. So let's see. Picture color at here. And then what's the picture we're looking at? We're going to look at the dithering brush. And then we'll get the variables X and Y. So if this is not equal to 0, not equal to 0, which means that means the brush is there. So that doesn't mean we're going to brush something there. Then we have to decide what we're going to do. So then if, and let's do Richard's trick. So it's going to be X plus Y. So I feel like we're in the relative coordinates of the brush right now. And we should be looking...
You want to... Oh, I see what you're saying.
Yeah, so we should do a plus. Okay, we'll do a plus because it doesn't matter. We're just trying to figure out whether the whole thing or not. It doesn't matter the exact number we have. So we're going to do the dithering brushes left plus the X, which will be good no matter where we are in the canvas. And then we're going to do the same thing, but with the top. And then the Y. So if these added together, And then we'll do a mod, which is a remainder of. And then 2, which will find us even and odd. So let's just do if this is equal to 0, I'm just going to keep it as 0. Then let's make the color like the transparent color. Wouldn't that be cool? So let's set color at to transparent. Oops. Okay, now what are we setting? We are setting the canvas image. And then where is it going to be? Let's just drag this out.
You want to use that, yeah, left plus X, left plus Y, you already did.
Yep. And then it should make us a little checkerboard pattern that is the same no matter where our brush goes. That's what we're expecting. Let's see what it looks like. Okay. We started off great. Let's see if we start off right. Okay. So it is not. Oh, wait. Oh, whoa. Wait, okay. I'm not moving. I'm pushing A. Okay. Let's see what's kind of looks cool when it works. Okay. From width to height, 0. Oh, shouldn't. Okay, it doesn't matter if -1 or not. If the brush. What?
Take your plus X plus Y and put it inside of a round.
Oh. Round. To individually. What's the issue?
Just put so what's happening is that these are decimals. You need integers because you're working in integer coordinates.
So why are they decimals?
Because X and Y are decimals.
Oh.
Like you can move half a pixel per second, sort of thing.
Sorry. X and Y are integers. Left and top are decimals.
Oh.
You also need to do it for the set color at right there.
Okay.
You just need to put both of those inside of a round.
I've been working with a lot of 4-element value of array of all blank blocks recently. I'm surprised at how lagless it is, even if it runs 3 or 4 every frame.
Oh, yeah, no. You can definitely do many hundreds every frame.
Wow. Oh my gosh, guys, look. It's cool. Like, let's make a skull. Okay, start here. Yep. Oh, yeah, everybody's skull. And then let's make the teeth. And let's go down here.
So, got a question, which is, does round round to the nearest int? Yes, it does. It does the normal rounding logic. So, if it's greater than or equal to whatever .05, then it'll round up. Otherwise, it'll round down. You should make your brush move slower.
Yeah, I'm gonna fix that next. We've learned no lessons here.
Yeah, we always do this every time we make a drawing game.
Does round? Oh, yes. So it's at 100 right now, which is too fast to make any like fine strokes. So let's change it down to 70. If I have it round to any other value rather than 1.
I mean, if you put in 2.5, it'll round to 3. If that's what you're asking.
Or are you asking like round to the nearest 5? Because you got to do some multiplication division to get to that.
Yeah, for that I would point you to integer divide, which is very useful for doing that.
Cool. Yes, like round to the nearest.
Yeah. So if you want to do that, what I would do is you would do an integer divide of your thing times integer divided by whatever you want to round to. So it would be like, if I wanted to round 34 to the nearest 5, then I would do 34 integer divided by 5 times 5, and that'll give you 30, which would actually be the floor. But if you want to go up, it's actually harder. What's the right way to do that, Joey? Is it to add 2.5 and then do it?
Yes. What is it?
That feels wrong, but I think it works.
Yeah, the 2.5 feels right. So add half of number plus half that you want to round by, integer divide by number you want to round by times the number you want to round by.
Yeah, I'll put this in chat.
Nice. Okay, I'm gonna make us a menu. We'll have different things that we can change. Maybe it'll be like in the style of like your monitor menus where it's like really annoying to go through. And what things do we want to change it on our menu? What do we want? We want to have like brush size. Or let's make a things to change and menu. Brush size. Color. Color. Style. Like that we could have like, instead of the checkerboards, do something else. Let's just stick with this first. Okay. So let's see. Show drawing menu. Then what are we gonna do? Let's bring in the text extension. The other equals true, false, brush size, shapes. I'm confused by that message. Oh, wait. I'm sorry. Do you want? I'm sorry, Andrea. I'll address your message after stream. Okay. Let's see. So we brought in the text sprite extension. Why did we do this? Well, because we just want to have some text show to the screen, and this is a good way to do this. So we're gonna make a new variable. It's like throw away, please ignore, and then we'll just have this text sprite read this, just so we can get like text. Is this the best way to do it? It's fine. And then wait. Actually, no, we're going to actually make text sprites for everything so that we can select them easier. So we're going to make a text sprite. Do we want to make a text sprite? No, we're going to make one text sprite at the beginning, and it's going to be like brush size. And then if show drawing menu. Ooh, nice. Okay, so let's do this one. Let's do a function, and it's like show menu ? And then we'll just do that. We won't even pass it in because we know what it's called, and we'll say for everything that is a text sprite is in here. Array of sprites of kind text. We're gonna set their invisibility, uninvisibility to be the opposite of show drawing menu, I think. Not because I've thought about it, but because it was the opposite last week when we tried to do the same thing. So we're going to do the same thing here. So not show drawing menu. Here. And then let's call the function at the end so that we can hide everything after we make them. And also let's call it every time we press the menu button to update. There we go. You should change show menu to a Boolean input, and if it's true, show the menu. If it's false, hide it. Yeah, I feel like that's what we would do, but since we know that it's just show drawing menu, I just put it in. Okay, cool. It works. Let's position them to be nice. So let's set text sprite position to be here. And then let's make 2 for now, so that we have to do like the menu option selecting thing. So brush size, color, and let's set the position here to be like 31. Let's see. Ooh, okay, let's change the X to be like 25. Oops, 25. Ooh, 25. I think I should be setting the left. Let's set the left. Let's set text sprite.
Vivian, what's your favorite color?
I think it depends. If it's to wear, probably red. If it's like in concept, probably yellow. What's your favorite color, Richard?
Guess I'd go with blue.
Blue. Ooh.
Traditionally, it was green, but as I've aged, I've soured on green a bit.
Why? What did green do?
But in terms of colors to wear, green probably is my favorite.
Why do you think you've matured out of green?
I feel like blue has a lot to offer.
Uh-huh. That's true.
Yeah, green's just kind of all over the place, you know?
That's true. Joey, what about you?
Purple.
Purple. Nice. Do you guys have like specific hexes that you would say is your favorite? Also, is there like a text
No.
I like
out?
this purple. I like this purple.
Ooh. Like a more reddish purple than bluish.
Oh.
Looks more bluish to me.
To me, Joey's hoodie looks purple too and looks more blue. More blue than the shirt.
Joey's hoodie looks very blue to me.
It's navy-ish, yeah.
Yeah.
Epic 3D engine incoming. Okay, let's see. What are we doing? We're going to have a list of all options. New variable. All brush options. Maybe we should always... Actually, should we always start at the top? No, let's make a new one. New variable, all options in menu. And it's going to be array of sprites of kind text. It's fine because we're doing it in the right order. We can't have any other text that's not in the menu though. Unless if we do it after this. We're not going to add anymore. Okay. And then we're going to do another variable, currently selected option index. I feel like I don't want to do this. Okay, it's okay. We're going to do this. And then let's see. On Z index to screen if showing. Okay, this is great. We're gonna do a for element of kind text, and we're gonna set the text sprite. Oh, yeah. Oh my gosh. Wait, no. What am I doing? Hold on. So this is this, and let's do.
Vivian, during this trying time, I just want to tell you that I believe in you.
Thank you. It's like, I don't want to do this. Okay, it's okay. We're just going to do it. Render on Z index. Do we want to do it here? Let's set everybody's outline to be 0. And then let's set the outline of the currently selected one to not be 0. It'll be 1 and it'll be yellow. And then what's the currently selected one? Well, we're going to pull out the array thing, get value at. What value is currently selected, select option index. And then what's the list? It's all options in menu. I definitely expected that to be in the A part of the alphabet. Thanks, Richard. I don't want to do this. Okay, sorry. Why are you upset? Because it doesn't think it's a text sprite.
Oh, just put
It's okay.
Yeah.
We'll do this. We'll do a set the outline to be okay. We'll do like an if here.
Didn't I fix this, Joey? Didn't I fix this?
Didn't you fix this?
You fixed
Can you
it.
share this?
I don't know about for arrays.
You want me to share it?
Can you? Yes, please share this real quick and stow that link for me.
Yeah, this is like second level fixing it. We always had to fix it for the normal case, and then shoot, we have the arrays to deal with.
Yep.
This is why you shouldn't use arrays. I finished that sentence. Okay.
No, you should use arrays. We're gonna fix it. Don't worry, guys.
Okay. Well, in the meantime, we're gonna go like this. We're gonna do a length of array of sprites of kind text. I feel like I exploded this area of my code, and I'm going to reconstruct it stronger than ever. It's like when you do exercise and your muscles are like falling apart, then they grow back stronger. That's what's happening to this code. So what are we going to do first? We're going to deal with an invisible thing. Why are we doing this in the render on Z index? No, we're not. Get out of here. What were we doing in the render on Z index?
Another fun one.
I think you were doing it there.
No, because it's here.
Oh, you're right.
I copied it. Well, we're ignoring it now. Okay, so we're gonna do an if. What are we gonna do? We're gonna say if it's not equal to. Well, actually, let's just say if it's equal. If the index is equal to currently selected index, then we'll set the outline to be something. Ooh, yeah, that's fine.
We are getting some Undertale references in the chat, which is fitting because I'm wearing my mother shirt today. Mother.
I haven't played Undertale. I gave up.
Mother is Earthbound with Ness and Lucas and stuff. The primary inspiration for Undertale.
Let's see. What are we doing? Let's put this in here. Let's put this in here. Why is it mad? It's extremely mad. Get value. Wait, no. What? Get what? What? Oh my gosh. What's happening? All options and menu. Get value at index. Outline here. That's fine. Get out of here. Get out of here. Get out of here. Let's throw away some things we don't need. Okay. All options. Oh, wait. There should be all options and menu. Sorry. Excuse me. Excuse me. There. Currently selecting. Think of this and then 71. Okay. Why are you mad? I'll click on you. Set outline does not.
Where do you do all options in menu?
It's here.
So actually this is not a bug in the type thing.
Oh,
so
okay.
you can't do array of all types of kind text because that returns an array of sprites. It doesn't return an array of text sprites.
Yeah, that's why I added an all status bars of kind in my extension.
Yeah.
It's okay. We can deal with this by putting it as an empty array first and then pushing it on every time we add it. And let's see. And it won't be mad anymore. We have our menu. Oh, good. Yes. Excellent. This is not the kind of outline I expected. Is there a better kind? Is it border?
Are you looking for like a rectangular outline? I think that is. Oh wait, isn't that like set the color and you do a plus?
Yeah. Yes, that is what it is.
You set color and there's a plus and then there's a second color block and you fill that one in. I think it's a fit one.
Wait, but it works with border.
Okay, if that's what you want.
Yes, this is what I want.
Kiwi Phoenix says, "Don't ever play Paper Mario Sticker Star," which I have a copy of, and you can't stop me.
It's a fun enough game. It's not my favorite Paper Mario game, but it's pretty good.
Yeah, the best Paper Mario game is Thousand Year Door.
It's probably true. What's the name of the one where you are like Mario and Luigi as babies? Is that Sticker Star?
That was not a Paper Mario game. That was part of Superstar Saga, I think.
I thought there was a Paper Mario. Okay, I might be mixing it up.
Or was that a Yoshi's Island game? I think Kiwi Phoenix might be right that it's Mario and Luigi partners in time.
Yeah, you are right.
There we go. We'll deal with uncontrolling the brush later. Okay, there. We have this. Now we have to make more options. Guys, I don't want to make a menu anymore.
You always choose games that require menus, Vivian.
But why? Okay, fine. This is 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 fine. Okay, yep, this is fine.
Do you want, in the future, do you want me to say warning when you're doing a game that requires a menu?
No, it'll be cool once it's done.
Just yell it out really loud without context.
Warning!
And refuse to give context.
Unsigned Arduino says everything is fine burning house meme, which is, yes.
Yep, everything is fine. This is fine. This is fine. I'm just moving this over here so we don't have to look at it all the time. Moving it over here, putting you back. And then what are we doing now? We're adding more text sprites. How are we going to do that? We're going to do this one. And for brush size, we're going to make it 15 because that's the size for a brush right now. And then we'll rename this to be sub option text. And then we're going to set this to be, let's bring in arcade sprite data, because this is is this going to be a good time? No, it's going to be a bad time because it'll think it's a sprite and not a text sprite. Just kidding. We're not. We're just going to keep a second array of things, I guess. And then, okay, what was the other option? Color?
We got a question from Vaxeral, which is, am I limited to the buttons on the gamepad, or can I have actual keyboard controls in MakeCode? The answer is you are currently limited to the buttons on the gamepad. There are tentative plans to add keyboard support to the simulator, but I need to get around to it, and I am very busy.
We've talked about it. It wouldn't even be that much. It's just work.
Yeah, I think everyone's agreed that we can do it, but it is work.
Like, I guess how would we just have like a toggle in the game that says like init keyboard controls, and then it disables all the other gamepad controls, something like that.
Oh, you make MakeCode.
Yeah, we do. Yep. Us three.
Hey, can somebody who's a mod change their stream title to be angrily making menus? Because I feel like that would be a better representation right now.
I'm on it.
Thank you. I feel like that's a really good way to deal with my anger right now.
I think we should add about that too, by the way.
I don't want to do this anymore. Okay, I'm calm. So what are we doing? We are clicking menu and we see nonsense because they're sitting in the same location. So we're going to fix that by bringing this over here and then bringing this over here. Oh my gosh. No words mean anything anymore. Okay, and we're going to change the X. The X doesn't matter. This is fine. And then we're going to change text sprite to be sub option text. And we're going to change this one to be sub option text. And then we're going to change to the left. Oh my God. To be 40. That's a good number. And we'll change this to be sub option text. All right. And then it will look all right. But you know what? Instead of 40, we'll make this 60. Then it will look good. Guys, I haven't gotten a single wallpaper out of this yet. I would just like to say, ooh, okay, just kidding. We're going to make this 80. We're never touching this again, no matter how bad it looks. Not going to regret that. Looks okay. We'll take it. Okay. What are we going to do? First, I'm realizing we should do, in this one, we should check to see if the menu's open. So we go if, and we say show drawing menu. Then we do this. We bring this over here, get rid of this block, because that was trash, only in this context. And then we do this. Now, what are we doing? We are copying this whole thing, saying if A button is pressed, then we are going to set the sprite. Let's make a sprite, new variable sprite. And it's going to, we are changing this value. And it's going to be array get value at. We know it's the same order because we made it in the same order. We're going to do, it's the one in all caps, all sub options, get value at, currently selected option index. That's the thing we are changing. I hate this. And then, okay, let's do an okay. Let's do an okay. The issue is we're going to need to do up and down to change the value. Can we just make it left and right? This is the most stupid menu ever. No, I'm not feeling bad about this. Okay, let's just make it left and right because I feel like that'd be funny. Okay, on left button pressed. And okay, wait, actually let's get rid of this. Let's make this right. If showing, and then we'll say, we'll just increase the number that's in the thing by 1 and deal with the consequences. What does that mean? So we're going to go we're going to go to arrays, get value at, the angry all sub options, currently selected index. This is the sub option we're dealing with. What are we going to do? We're going to use text sprite to get the text out of the thing. We can't get the text that's in the thing. Oh. Okay, that's okay. We can attach it. we are going to attach it. with arcade sprite data. Where is this menu function? Okay, here it is. Okay, open up sprites. Scroll to the bottom. Do we not bring in arcade sprite data? Whoa, I thought we did. Okay, we're going to bring in arcade sprite data.
You talked yourself out of it for some reason.
Did I really?
And
Well,
I was just like, yeah, okay, I believe you. You don't want that anymore.
All right, so we're going to use set data. Whoa. My mouse is really bad. Okay, we're bringing out a new one. My mouse is not going to freak out in the middle of dragging it. We're going to do, which one? Let's do this one under here. Sub option text. Data. Nope, let's change the value. Data was bad. 215. And then, why did I call this one color 2? Let's make it 1. And this one is going to be 1. And then, there's chatting happening. Okay, let's do a left button. Right, this is what we're doing again. Okay, get value at this, but we're not going to get the value of it through the text extension because that is impossible. Could not do that. We're bringing out this fetcher instead because it is fetching, and we're dragging the value out of it. And then we're going to actually wait. No, we're gonna just do a change. No, we're gonna do a set. No, we're gonna do a set because it's gonna be able to handle like the values better. So we're gonna do the data as value. That's what it's called. We're gonna make a variable is that's fine. Yup, that's a very good name. We're putting this in here. Why are we doing this? Just so we don't have to copy this block again because it's long. We're gonna get this, put this in here, put this in here, replace this in here. Wow, it's a pretty long variable name. I should have smashed for less long. Okay, but this is ridiculous, right? So what are we gonna do instead? We're gonna set left to be this -1. We're doing no wrapping right now. We're gonna do the same thing, except for right, and it's gonna be +1. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, it's not working, but why? Let's see. On left button pressed, sub options get value at. So, yeah, we need to update the text. It's working, we just can't see it. So then we're setting this one text to be this.
We should just fill in the default variable name with keyboard smashing whenever you drag out a new one.
Do we want to be set in that mindset straight off the bat? I would say it's not very fun right now. Why are you just...
We got a question. Is this technically MakeCode Advance? Yeah, we call ourselves the MakeCode Arcade Advanced stream, but we're also the only MakeCode Arcade stream, at least run by the MakeCode team. So the Advanced thing has less meaning than it used to.
Yeah, but it makes us feel cool.
Also, I like it because it's like Game Boy Advance,
Oh.
Anyway.
Okay, this is angry. This is not Sprite. Did I ever say you were a Sprite? Oh, it's because I was setting Sprite data on it. Can I just... What if I do this? Would that make you
Joey,
happy?
did you forget the first letter of your name?
I just was typing too fast, and then you can't ever go back. I can't even delete my comment. Like it's ridiculous. I can delete everybody else's comments on Twitch,
but not your own.
Yeah, like I understand that, but the J and A are not close to each other.
No, I was reading ADV, and I wanted to change I was like reading it, and I was like, okay, change it, and then I got stuck in the mindset of like RV because RV was fun.
Okay, guys, we have a menu. The values are changing. Now we actually have to use these values that we're setting. And that will be all right, probably. So what are we going to do? We're going to set the image. Okay, let's make a function first. And it's going to be update brush size. Just for sanity's sake. We'll put it in here. And then what are we going to do? We're going to call this function And the left button pressed and the right button pressed. It's fine. It's cheap. And then let's see. Let's make the image width to be you know what? We're just gonna grab the value because we know which one it is. So the first one is brush size. So we're gonna go all sub options value at 0. We need to get its data because we can't get it off the text, right? Data as number, value, and that's going to make an image there. And then we're going to use the fill circle thing, and this is not the right sprite. It should be dithering brush, fill circle in dithering brush image. At should be half of the width cx, right? Okay, so we got to do the math. We got to do a divide. I feel like it might be angry with the decimals. We're just going to deal with it as number.
I think I did an or 0 on all of these.
Oh nice.
Should be fine.
And the radius is going to be this by 2. Okay, let's see what this looks like. Surely it will look cool, and it will work. Refresh. Oh, okay. Brush size. It's getting bigger. I think it's upset about the odd numbers, which is understandable. Odd numbers are odd. I guess we can help it out by doing a round.
Does it just like lose have a line going through it on something?
Yeah, I think it is dealing with, it doesn't like the decimals, I think.
Yeah.
Oh, interesting. I didn't or 0.
Which I feel like is the more exciting option, Joey. We support this. Let's just put this in a variable, I guess, at this point, radius. I think we
should special case all of our drawings so that if you do enter not a number, it just spawns a missing no.
A what?
If you try and draw not a number, it spawns a missing no, and then everything's messed up.
Let me give you a little Pokemon history lesson. In the first Pokemon games, Blue and Red, there was this glitch where what you would do is I can't even remember how it worked really. And you had to go to Cinnabar. You had to go up and down the left side until something happened. I don't remember what it was exactly.
There's several different missing no's too, which is the most interesting.
But anyway, it would glitch out Pokemon such that you would start finding these Pokemon called Missing No, which was missing number, which was like a debug Pokemon that was put into the game basically, and you were just getting junk data because Pokemon Blue and Red are incredibly glitchy. There's so many glitches in those games.
It kind of looks like barcode-y sort of look.
Yeah, it's like just a bunch of random sprites that are all kind of just mashed together because it's basically just painting random memory to the screen. And if you caught one, it would mess up your game in some hilarious way, which was always interesting. Like it would turn your sprite into Professor Oak, or you would be switching between Professor Oak and Bush.
We love that.
One of your Pokemon would get a health bar that wraps around the screen 3 times. And it would...
it just started deleting random Pokemon every single time that I saved, if I remember it.
You should never save with a missing no in your party.
I stopped after that.
Yeah, because it will destroy your game. You can catch a missing no and do whatever you want, but if you save, you are risking potentially ruining your save file. We have a argument request, which is, what is the best Pokemon game? Wait, I think I know Joey's.
Which Joey's?
Is it Ruby Sapphire?
See, this one's a hard one for me. It's my favorite generation, just because of playing it. I don't know if I would say it's the best. I think that's probably one of the newer ones. If you were to compare them side by side, it's better. It's just, for me, the best. Yes, I would agree. Specifically Ruby, because, Groudon.
Oh.
Right, on.
What about yours, Richard?
It's tough. I mean, it's between, I think, either gold, silver, or fire red, leaf green.
Ooh.
Silver. This was my childhood Pokemon, my first ever video game that I owned all to myself. And I got this at a birthday party. Actually, I have like 3 copies of Pokemon Blue.
3.
Crystal might be a hard one, or a good one to choose too, just because the case was so cool, if I remember it.
Yeah, wait, I have that one. What's up? Oh no, it's upstairs. Darn. But yeah, it's very sparkly.
Ooh. Well, it's 2:01. I hope you guys
Thought about what you did.
Sorry?
Hope you guys thought about what you did.
I hope you guys have thought about what you did. Thank you, Joey. That's exactly what I'm was thinking. So, I don't know. Have a day. Don't make menus. That's all I feel like we learned today. Anyway, my name is Vivian. I'm at Live Cheerful on the MakeCode forums.
I'm Joey at J1 on the MakeCode forums.
And as always, my third eye is wide open. I'm your psychic gym leader, Richard, at Richard on the MakeCode forums.
We'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a good